morning students. I hope you are all safe at home. Listen children, this is your maths class. What we have learnt in previous class? Yes, chapter 1, let us revise. That is number names, ascending order and descending order, addition, sums. We have learnt, no? Okay. Now I'll give answers for previous class worksheet. Take your worksheet and check answers. Okay children? See the first Roman worksheet. The first Roman, write in ascending order. What is this? Write in ascending order. What is this ascending order means? Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. What is this? Smallest number to biggest number. Are you clear children? Ascending order means increasing order. Okay. The smallest number to the biggest number. See, here given the first sum 12, 34, 7, 19, 46. Okay. How many numbers here have? 5 numbers. You should write smallest number to the biggest number. Are you clear children? How to write smallest number to the biggest number. See, here have 5 numbers. Which number is the very smallest number? You should write it first. Okay. See here. First 12, 34, 7, 19, 46. Which number is the very smallest number? Yes, 7 is a single digit number. So, that number is the very smallest number. So, you should write in the 7 is first number. Okay. So, write here 7. Okay. The second number 12, 34, 19, 46. Which number is the smallest number from these number? 12, 34, 19, 46. Which number is the smallest number? See, tens place 1, 3, 1, 4. 1 is the very smallest number. But here have 2 number is 1, 1. Tens place 1. So, which number is the smallest? How to find out this? We'll see in ones place. Ones place is a 2 and 9. Which number is the smallest number? 2 or 9? Yes, 2 is the very smallest number. So, you should write in the second number is 12. Okay. Next, third number is 19. Next, 34 and 46. Which number is the smallest number? 34 or 46? Yes, 34 is the smallest number. You should write in the fourth number is 34. 46 is fifth number. Are you clear children? How to write this ascending order? Okay. The second sum 23, 15, 87, 38, 57. Which number is the smallest number from these number? See in tens place 2, 1, 8, 3, 5. Which number is the smallest number? Yes, 1 is the very smallest number. So, you should write in the first number is 15. Next, 23, 87, 38 and 57. Which number is the smallest number? See in tens place 2, 8, 3, 5. Which number is the smallest number? Yes, 2 is the very smallest number. So, you should write in the 23 is the second number. Okay. The next, you have 3 numbers. Which number is the smallest number from this number? 87, 38 and 57. Yes, 38 is the very smallest number. So, you should write in the number 38. Next 87 and 57. Which number is the smallest number? Compare these two numbers, 87 or 57. Yes, 57 is the smallest number. So, write in the 57 as fourth number. Again, have only one number. You should write in the fifth number is 87. Are you clear children? How to write in ascending order. Okay. The next Roman, write in descending order. See. Second Roman, write in W-R-I-T-E, write in descending, D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending order, O-R-D-E-R, descending order. Are you clear, children? See, the first sum, 67, 54 and 24, 49 and 76. The second sum, 12, 35, 83, 59 and 27. See here, the first descending order, write in descending order. Descending order means how to write this descending order? Descending order means biggest number to the smallest number. What is this? Biggest number to the smallest number. See, you have 5 numbers. Which number is the biggest number from these number? Okay. 67, 54, 24, 49 and 76. Which number is the biggest number? See in tens place. 6, 5, 2, 4 and 7. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 76 is a biggest number. So you should write in the first number. 76. Next, 6, 5, 2, 4. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 67 is the biggest number. So that is second number, 67. Next, 5, 2, 4. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 54 is the biggest number. So you should write third number is 54. Next, 24 and 49. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 49 is the biggest number. Right, 49. That is fourth number. The last number 24. That is fifth number. Are you clear, children? How to write this descending order? Okay. The next sum, 12, 35, 83, 59 and 27. And 27. See, which number is the biggest number? See in tens place. 1, 3, 8, 5, 2. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 8 is the biggest number. That is the first number. 83. Next, 1, 3, 5, 2. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 5 is the biggest number. So you should write 59 is the second number. Next, 1, 3, 2. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 3 is the biggest number. 35 is the third number. 35. Next, 12 and 27. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 27 is the biggest number. So you should write 27. Then last number is 12. Are you clear, children? How to write in descending order? Okay, check the answers in your worksheet. The third Roman. What is the third Roman in your worksheet? Yes, addition, sum. Third Roman, addition. The first sum 4 plus, what is the symbol? Plus symbol. 4 plus 4, B sum 7 plus 2. Next C sum 5 plus 0. Are you clear, children? That is, all the sums is a single digit number only. The first sum, third Roman, addition, ADDITION. Addition, the first sum 4 plus 4. So what is this? 4 plus 4. What is the symbol? Plus symbol. Okay. Plus means addition. Okay. The first number in the mind. 4 in the mind. The second number also 4. So 4 in the mind. 4 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will come the answer? 8. Are you clear, children? Okay. The second sum 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. 7 in the first number, 2 in the second number. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 after, what will come the 7 after? Yes, 8. 7 after 8, 9. So what will come answer? 9. Next, third sum 5 plus 0. What is this? 5 plus 0. So 5 in the mind, 0 in the finger. 0 means nothing. So nothing means 0. 5 plus 0, anything plus 0 means will get same number. So 5 plus 0 means 5. 4 plus 0 means 4. 3 plus 0 means 3. So 5 plus 0 means 5. Are you clear, children? How to write this first Roman and second Roman and third Roman? Okay. Check the answers in your worksheet. Okay, children? Now we are going to see the topic chapter 2 beyond 100. What is this? Chapter 2 beyond 100. BEYOND, beyond 100. 100. Are you clear, children? That is second chapter. Already we have learnt in the number names. Here also have this chapter also have number names. The first one, number names. Number names and numbers. Next, before, after, between numbers. Between numbers. Next, place value. Next, face value. Face value. Then comparison of numbers. This chapter also have same topics, but this chapter have only 3-digit numbers. Already we have learnt in first chapter 2-digit number names and 2-digit numbers, and before, after, between numbers also will come 2-digit. But this chapter have 3-digit numbers, 3-digit number names, 3-digit before, after, between numbers, and place value and face value and comparison number also have. This is 3-digit number names. Okay. Now we'll see this 3-digit number names. Okay, children, listen carefully. The first topic, what is this? Number names. What What is this? Number names. Already we have learnt in this first chapter 2-digit number names. See, what is this number? 14. 1 4 14. What is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Are you clear, children? Okay. Then, what is this number name? 57. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next. What is this number name? 78. 78. Now we'll add another one place. Here have 2-digit number only, but will come 3-digit number means 114. So how to read this number? 114. 114. What is this number? 1. This is 14. So 1. This is hundreds place. So read 114. 114. So how to write? 1. O-N-E 100. What is the spelling of 100? Already we have learnt in 100, no? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 114. F-O-U-R-T-E-N. Are you clear, children? The next one, 57. 57. See here. Here we'll add. How to read this number? 257. So what is this number? 2. Which place? Hundreds place. 3-digit means that is hundreds place. So 257. How to read? 257. 200. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 257. Next, 78. See, here add 578. How to read this number? 578. How to write this number names? 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Are you clear, children? 578. Are you clear, children? How to write this 3-digit number names? I give some example sums. Okay. Are you clear? How to change this 202 and 3-digit place. 3-digit number names. Okay. Listen, children. Now take your book page number 15. What is the page number? 15. Take your book. Listen this. What is this topic? Number names. What is this? Number names. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number names. N-A-M-E-S. Number names. Are you clear, children? This is 3-digit number names. What is this? 3-digit number names. Here given randomly 5 numbers. You should read this and write these numbers. Okay, number names. Okay. See, how to read this number? 117. 117. 7 is a ones place. See, 7 is a ones place. 1 is a tens place. Another one is a hundreds place. Okay. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. That is 3-digit number means you have 3 places. Ones, tens and hundreds. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds. Are you clear, children? Okay. How to read this number? 17 means 7 17. You have how many hundreds? 117. How to read? 117. Right? 100. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 117. What is the spelling of 17? S-E-V-E-N-T-E-N, 17. 117. 117. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. 117. Are you clear, children? 117. Okay. The second one, 0 is a ones place, 2 is a tens place, 1 is a hundreds place. Here also have 3 places. How to read this number? 120. 120. Are you clear, children? 120. So write 1. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. 120. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 120. 120. Are you clear, children? Okay. The third number, 3 is a ones place, 5 is a tens place, 1 is a hundreds place. How to read this number? 153. 153. So how to write this number names? 1. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 53. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 153. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 153. Are you clear, children? 153. The next one, 8 is a ones place, 9 is a tens place, 1 is a hundreds place. Here have 3 places. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds. Okay, how to read this number? 198. 198. How to write this number names? 1. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 100. 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 98. 198. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 98. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, 5 is a ones place, 7 is a tens place, 1 is a hundreds place. How to write this number name? 175. 175. O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 75. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 75. F-I-V-E, 5. Are you clear, children? 175. Are you clear, children? How to write this 3-digit number names? Okay. I will show this some number names. What is the spelling of 100? 100. 100. How to write this 100 number names? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. See this? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. hundred. What is this? Hundred, hundred. Okay. The next one, 127. How to read? So how to read this number name? How to read the number? 127. 127. So how to write this number names? ONE 100, HUNDRED, 100, 20, TWENTY, 20, 7, SEVEN, 7. Okay, see, 127. ONE 100, HUNDRED, 20, TWENTY, 20, 7, SEVEN, 7. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, 214. How to read this number? 214. 214. So, see, TWO 200, HUNDRED, 100, 14, FOURTEEN, 14. 214. 214. Are you clear, children? How to write the number names in 3 digits? Okay. Next, listen. Take page number 16. The exercise 2.1. What is this? Exercise 2.1. The first one, write the following numbers and their number names. See here, write WRITE, write the THE, the following FOLLOWING, following numbers NUMBERS, numbers, and 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 their THEIR, their number NUMBER, number, names NAMES, names. Write the following numbers and their number names. See the first sum already given. One example sums. See the first sum, A sum. See here, how many hundred here? Only 100. How many hundred is here? Only 100. So you should write 100. HUNDRED, 100. 100. How many hundred is here? Only 100. You should write 100. Okay. See the next place, tens place. See here. How many tens is here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens. How many tens? 3 tens. You should write 3 tens. TENS, tens. 3 tens. How many ones here? 1, 1. So how many ones? 2 ones. Right? 2 ones. ONES, ones. Are you clear, children? 100, 3 tens, 2 ones. See here. How to write this 100? 100 means you should write 100. 200 means 200. 300 means 300. Okay. Here only 100. So you should write in the box 100. The 3 tens means 1 10 means 10. 2 10 means 20. 3 10 means 30. 10, 20, 30. So write 30 is here. Okay. 2 ones means 2. 2 in this box. Are you clear, children? 132. So how to write this number? 132. 132. How to write this number names? 1 ONE 1, 100 HUNDRED, 100, 30 THIRTY, 30, 2 TWO 2. 132. Are you clear, children? O-N-E 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 30 T-H-I-R-T-Y 32. T-W-O-2. 132. See, 2 is a ones place. So you should write here 2. 3 is a tens place. So write here 3 in tens place. 1 is a hundreds place. So you should write in hundreds place 1. 132. 132. Are you clear, children? How to write the sums? Okay. Remaining 2 sums have do yourself. Okay. Next, second sum, write the numbers from 101 to 200. What is the numbers? 101 to 200. Write the numbers from 101 to 200. You should write in this the boxes 101, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one 111, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Next 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Next 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Next 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Next 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. 170 after 171, 170 after 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180. Next 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. Next 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 200, 200. You should write 101 up to 200. Okay. Write neatly in your book, children. Okay. See, third one, use the table above to the answer the following questions. Use the table above to answer the following question. See here, the first one, see the pattern and complete the following. See the pattern and complete the following. See, for example, the first sum 103, 113, next 123, 133. What is this counting? This is tens counting. Let's add 103 plus 10, 113. 113 plus 10, 123. So 123 plus 10, add 23 plus 10, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30, 31, 32, 33. So 133 plus 10, 143. 143 plus 10, 153. 153 plus 10, 163. 163 plus 10, 173. Are you clear, children? That is tens counting. Are you clear? That is tens counting pattern. But the first sum here given 130, next 129, next 128. So what will come the before, next number? This is before number is 130 before 129. 129 before 128. That is reverse counting. Is 30, 29, 28, 28 before 27, 27 before 26, 26 before 25. Are you clear, children? That is before counting. So 130, 30 before 29, 129 before 128. So what will come next? Yes, 128 before. What will come 128 before? Yes, 127. Are you clear, children? How to write this pattern? Okay. This 127 before? Yes, 126. Are you clear, children? The next one, 126 before? Yes, 125. Next, 5 before? 4. 124. 124 before? Yes, 123. 123 before? 3 before? Yes, 2. So, 122. Are you clear, children? How to write this first sum? Okay. The next one, 122, 120, 118. So, how to write this next number? This is before number only. But this is before 2 number. What is this? Before 2. 22 before 2 means 122 before 2 means 121, 120. So, here come 120. 120 before 2, 119, 118. So, 118 before 2 means 116. 116 before 2, 114. 114 before 2, 112. 112 before 2, 113. 168. This is 2's counting. See, 164 plus 2, 65, 66. 166 plus 2, 167 and 68. Then 168 plus 2, 170. Next 170 plus 2, 172. 71 and 72. Plus 2, 173 and 74. Next plus 2, 175 and 76. Next 176 plus 2, 177 and 178. So here come 178. Next 178 plus 2, 180. Are you clear, children, how to write this pattern and complete the following? Okay. Remaining have before and after and between numbers have. So next class we'll see the topics. Okay. Are you clear this all the topic today? What are the topics I have seen in today? Yes, number names 3 digit, then numbers 101 to 200, then pattern. How to write this pattern. Okay, are you clear these 3 topics? Okay. Do your worksheet and check. Do your worksheet, children, and write in your books. And stay home and be safe. Thank you.